Listening and speaking. Did you find it? What is listen? Listen. Very good. And wa. Order. Order the sentences. What is order? Yes. Tanzim kardan. Okay? Gosh میگیرین و جملات چی میکنین؟ تنظیم میکنین. Okay, listen. Listen, please. It is Flores, Flores. Hello, I'm Eva Flores. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Excuse me. Excuse me. How do you spell your last name? Thank you. Good morning. It is Flores. Okay, repeat after me. Repeat after, please. Did you find it? Okay. Do you know where I am reading? That's good. That's good. Okay. Repeat. Hello. Hello. I am Eva Flores. Eva Flores. Flores. I have a reservation. Reservation. Shan, Shan. Shan. Very good. Reservation. Okay. Bugoin. Good. Once more. Yes. Reservation. Very good. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now it's time. Excuse me. Again. Very good. Once more. That's good. How do you spell your last name? Your last name. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you very much. Now you have to look at the sentence. For example, which one comes first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth. Okay, understand? Number them. Okay, what is number them? Number them. Number them. What is number? Number is number. Yes, you have to write numbers. You have to write numbers here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, which one is first? This one is first? Huh? No. When you see me, when I see you, I say what? Good morning. So this is number 1. And what is number 2? What is number 2? Excellent. Hello, I am Eva. This is number 2. What is number 3 then? Okay. Hello. So first comes good morning. Good morning. Hello, I am Eva Flores. I have a reservation. This is number 2. Excuse me. Okay. Flores. You can say what? Flores. How do you spell your last name? For example, like this. But let's listen first. Okay. You're listening. Gosh migidim kichito. I don't know you. 1 point what? It is 1 point? 1.34. 1.34? Sure? 34?
1.34.
Good morning.
Yes, first
Hello.
good morning.
I'm Eva Flores.
Yes.
I have a reservation.
How do you spell your last name?
Flores.
Excuse me.
Excuse me?
Flores.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Really? Excellent. Very good. That was nice. Okay, first come what? What is the first one? Okay. Shall I play it again? Again? Shall I play it once again? May I play it once again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let me play it again. Again.
1.34.
Good morning.
Hello, I'm Eva Flores. I have a reservation.
How do you spell your last name?
Flores.
Excuse me?
Flores.
Huh.
Thank you.
Done? Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together, okay? What is the first one? The first?
One is good morning.
Good morning. Second? Yes. Second.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Eva.
Flores. I have a reservation. Number 3.
Number 3.
How do you? Very good. This is number 3. How do you spell your last name? Number 4?
Number 4, excuse me.
No. Number 4 is Flores. Excellent. Number 1. This is number 4, right? Yes. Number 5 is excuse me. Number 5 is excuse me. And the 6th one is written. That's Flores. Okay? Understand? No? Come on. Okay. Look. This is number 1. Good morning is number 1. Okay? This is number 2. Hello, I am Eva Flores. I have a reservation. This is number 2. And how do you spell your last name? This is number 3. Yes. And this is number 4. This is number 4. Flores is number 4. And excuse me is number 5. And this is number 6.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody listen, look at here. Now, first name is what? Brad or Angelina? What's my first name? Imam Ali is my first name. What is your first name? Farzana. Look, these are the first name. Okay? First name is equal to example Brad and Angela. These are the first name. Last name or family name. Last name or family name. For example, Pet, Julio. My last name and family name is Safari. Yes, what's your last name? Karimi. Huh? Last name or family name is Karimi. And yours? Okay. Yes. Okay, good. So you can say one of them, last name or family name. I can say one thing. My last name is Safari. I'm not telling you my family name is Safari. Don't tell me. Use one. Your last. What's your last name?
My last name is
Yusufi. And yours? Aslami. Yours? See, last name. Yours last name? Temuri. Okay? And in pairs, role play the dialogue. Use the first name and last name. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now it is good morning, right? Huh? Yes. Now we will do some role play. And you have to do it to the person. For example, you two. And you have to go with him, with her. Go. Sit there. You sit with her. Yes. Go. Go. Sit there. Now, listen. Who is going to work with me? Yes, you. We will work, okay? Yes. Good morning. Hello. My name is Ali Safari, Imam Ali Safari. I have a reservation. This is the second sentence. See? Hello, I am Imam Ali Safari. I have a reservation. Now you have to tell me this one.
reservation.
Do you
How do you?
How do you spell it?
How? Yes. How do you spell your last name? It is Safari.
Excuse me.
Yes. Excuse me. It is Safari. Thank you. Yes. Let's work. Okay. Good morning. I am Imam Ali Safari. I have a reservation.
How do you spell your last name?
Very good. It is Safari.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. It is Safari. No, not okay. How many times did you excuse me? Thank you. Thank you. Same thing. Thank you. Good morning. Hello, I am Imam Ali Safari. I have a reservation.
How do you spell your last name?
Very good. It is Safari.
Excuse me.
It is Safari.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, to the person. You have to do it. Understand? Okay? Okay, now stand up and do it to each other. Okay? You two work with each other like this to the person, right? Once you're done, ياك تفكر كردن boss partner خطابل تغيير ببرين آخر ياك تقابل شيء كهستي على بيرين فقط دو نفكر ممكن بس. Yes. I have a reservation. Come on.
What's your last name?
I have a half dorm reserve कर दें बेगा. हाँ.